In this video, I'll show you how to add and run ISO game files in RPCS3 without errors. Navigate to the ISO file, right click and select Mount option and select the Open option. And now it will open in DVD drive. Copy these three files and navigate to the drive that you have enough space. Right click on the blank area and select New and select Folder. Name this folder as the game name. Open the folder, paste the file. Once you paste the files, right click on the DVD drive and select eject option. Now you can close stuff here and open the RPCS3. To add the game, select file and select add game option and navigate to the created game folder. Select the COD game folder and select folder option. Make sure you check this pre-compile caches and select OK. Once this done, click on OK. And as you can see, in my case, I have update available. If you have update available, then check my video description for this video link. Watch this video and update any game you have. Once you update done, double click on the game to launch. If you doesn't have updated the game, then you will get this message. An update is required to run this game. So follow that video and update the game. Once you update the game, you can able to play without having any problem. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.